Hey, it's Otto. I'm going to teach you how to do this beginner combo that I thought of. The only tricks you're going to need to know are the double rollout, or chaplain if you'd prefer, the full twirl, the half orbit, the Y2K. That's it. So here's the trick. Yeah, pretty simple because it's for beginners. And for you, those who need it step by step, here's that. So, double rollout or chaplain. From here, you're just going to put your finger here, do a full twirl. And from here, you're going to do a half orbit and a Y2K. And you can actually loop the half orbit to Y2K part. As many times as you want. That's it. Pretty simple. As I said, for beginners. And yeah, hope you found this useful or something.